忘了。点了，开始了。
它现在显示是
显示
停止吗？
停止。And the third is the company strengths, and the fourth is the project case. This is our company introduction. Doing Holdings was founded in 2011. It's a machinery and equipment manufacturing company with diversified industry development. Doing Holdings company owns 6 legal entities. Xinxiang Dongying Renewable Energy Equipment Company Limited, 叫做 Dongying Machinery Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited, Henan Dongying Environment Technology Company Limited, Henan Glory Oil and Fats Engineering Technology Company Limited, Henan Jinrui Food in Energy Technology Company Limited, Henan Dongying Machine Nigeria Branch, Henan Dongying Machinery Nigeria Limited, and Overseas Warehouse. The company was established in 2011. It started as a pure foreign trade company and successfully transformed into an industry and trade integrated production enterprise in 2016. The company currently has an office space about 1,000 square meters and a production workshop of more than 20,000 square meters. A sales team of more than 60 people and e-commercial team of 30 people, with a technology research and development team of more than 30 people, and a production team of more than 80 people. Henan Glory Oil and Fats Engineering Company Limited is an enterprise integrating engineering, research and development, equipment manufacturing, and installation, environment engineering, contracting, technical service, and international trade. We're mainly engaged in edible oil pretreatment, pressing, refining, solvent leaching, fractionation, waterization, dewaxing, and so on. The company has a complete research and development team, and has obtained more than 30 production patents, a professional manufacturing team, and after-sales service team to protect your productive quality and after-sales enterprise. At the same time, the company has a complete e-commercial and marketing management system. Various departments will work together sincerely to provide you with one-stop high-quality service from research and development, design, production, sales, after-sales, and so on. The company's production sells well in more than 90 countries and regions around the world, and have won prize and trust from users from all around the world. And this is our business scope. Over the years, the company has rapidly grown into China's oil equipment production and export based with its excellence in manufacturing technology and innovative manufacturing content. The company's products and the service are described all of the countries and abroad, and are exported to more than 90 countries and regions, including Russia, India, South Africa, Ukraine, Nepal, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Iran, North Korea, Vietnam, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and the European Union, and have won awards all over the world, prize and trust from the majority of users. This is our team introduction. And this part is our engineering and the workers company, the office. And this is our sales team. This is a gate of the factory. Our company's principle is quality first, integrity first, win-win cooperation. And then is our production description. We have palm oil and palm kernel oil press machine, and solvent extraction plant, and also refinery machine. These are 500 kilogram single screw palm oil press machine, and the next is 1 to 2 tons per hour double screw palm oil pressing machine, and the next is 500 kilogram per hour palm kernel oil pressing machine. And then it's our palm oil automatically processing line, the palm kernel and shell separation system. And those are the oil press for vegetable oil, like for the bitumen and the pressing plant. Those are some pictures of the introduce. And these are some pictures of our factory. And these are some patents and certification. And these are some custom visit and some project display. The first project case is Kenya 100 tons of palm oil refinery and the fractionation equipment, and 2 tons of olive oil refinery equipment in Peru, 2 tons of palm kernel crushing equipment in Liberia. And 3 tons per hour palm oil processing plant in Nigeria. $100 tons per day groundnut processing plant in Sudan. $5 tons per hour palm oil processing line in Ivory Coast. And 5 tons per day palm oil processing line in Liberia. Okay, let's keep watching our company's production list. The first part is the palm oil and palm oil press. And this is the basic information of palm oil. Palm oil belongs to palm plant. It is mainly described in tropic area and some subtropic area. It is one of the most important tropic oilseed plant in the world. The oil rate in the palm nuts is very high, generally 46 to 50% in the fresh fruit, and 50 to 55 in the palm kernel. The procedure of palm oil processing mill totally includes the following procedure. The first is the raw material reception station. Collect the ripe, fresh palm fruit branches from the plantation and transport it by trucks, and then pour the free, fresh bunches into the discharge door, and after wait by the weight bridge and the discharge platform with sliding gate exit, and every slide wedges is controlled by hydraulic system, which consists of hydraulic pump station and hydraulic cylinder. Start the control valves to open the gate of the discharge door, and then the palm fruit falls into conveyor. The next procedure is sterilization section. The sterilization section is to inject the 300 kPa directly steam into the sterilizer, and the steam the palm fruits at high temperature for about 60 minutes to destroy the enzyme in the fruit and avoid the increase of free fatty acid content in the oil. At the same time, the high temperature will make the fruit soften. It is easy for fruit threshing and avoiding the damage of palm nuts. Then is the threshing section. The palm oil fruits account for about 60% of the whole fresh fruit branches, and the purpose of threshing is to separate the palm fruits from the free fresh branches. The thresher mainly adopts the drums type thresher. We separate the palm fruit is sent to the processing section. The pressing section empty palm fruit branches and discharge it from the other side of the thresher, and the EFB is transported to the yard or to the palm plantation as a fertilizer or slip cover. And then is the digesting pressing section. Digesting is for crushing palm fruits. Inside the digester, there are baffles and the stripping arms, and there's the driving of the top motor. Reamers breaks of the palm fruit and the oil and boil the palm fruit so it can be pressed oil out easily. Press machine use hydraulic control system and adjust the space between screws. It's suitable for various pitches of palm fruits and guaranteed oil yield. Then is our oil clarification station. Using the latest technology under the promise of ensuring the quality of oil, reduce the investment of equipment as far as possible. Reduce oil loss. The purified palm oil can be directly sold or deeply refined after clarification, sedimentation, filtration, separation. The industry's wage will be standing to inflow pound. Then the residual sludge can be used as a fertilizer. The whole process is highly automatic, environment friendly, and energy saving. And then is the kernel recovery station. The mixture of the pressed kernel and the fiber is separated by the fiber separation system, and the separated palm nuts is cracked to obtain the kernel and the shell mixture after the separation clone system and the mud base separation system. The separation rate of kernel and the shells can reach 97 and 98%. The separated shell is sent to the boiler station as full. The separated kernel is dried by hot air, and then it will be sent to the kernel storage. This is a powerhouse. It's diesel-powered generator and the turbine generators to provide the energy and the electricity for production and household usage, being energy saving and environmental friendly. The steam boiler, the boiler station. The steam boiler has the advantage of sufficient heating power, faster production of high-quality system, stable and reliable operation, a wider force applicability, and better safety performance. Then is the water treatment. After dosing, settling, and filtration, the source water can be changed into pure water, which is used for water supply system power, a boiler, and the process used, ensuring the good quality of water as well as the oil. This automatical processing line for palm oil. The capacity is about 1 to 5 tons per hour. The 1 to 5 tons palm processing line is a new small-scale palm oil processing machine designed by the engineers of Henan Glory Oil and Fats Engineering Company Limited. It is used the international advanced and mature palm oil extraction technology to extract palm oil, suitable for small oil plant and palm oil production enterprise. What's more, the palm oil processing machinery is low cost and high productivity. If the automatical line is beyond your budget, and we also have a simple palm oil pressing line. This simple line, totally including 3 machines, depends on different capacity. The first one is a thresher. The thresher is simple type threshing, used to remove the palm fruits from the branches, lower cost, high efficiency. And then it's the palm oil press. We designed a different palm oil press to match different hectare palm plantation. For about 100 hectares plantation, we use 500 kilogram per hour single palm oil press to extract the palm fruit. The lower residual rate oil rates and diesel and motor to power system suitable for different power condition. And this 1 to 2 tons per hour double screw oil press is used to it's a match over 200 hectare palm plantation, and it's also have a low residual oil rate, high efficiency, suitable for production line. And then it's a filtering machine. This plate filter it could be used to remove the impurities from the crude oil and get cleaner crude oil, widely used with good performance. And then it's palm kernel oil pressing introduction. Palm kernel processing is it's a fiber separation. And then it's a magnetic separation, palm kernel cracking and separating, and then cooking the obtained palm kernels, pressing and filtering to get the crude palm kernel oil. And then it's a single machine. Our company has a lot of single machine equipment that can meet the needs of small processing capacity, such as a fiber separator and a cracker and the palm kernel cracking and separating system, the crusher in the palm kernel pressing plant. The cooker and the oil press and the plate filter can be used separately and are also suitable for home use with small processing capacity. The next part is completely production line of pretreatment and the pressing. According to different raw material and customer specific need, we can customize the pressing production line scheme for customers. Production capacity is 2,000 tons per day. And 5 to 30 ton small-scale cooking pretreatment and pressing workshop, and 30 to 500 tons per day medium cooking pretreatment and pressing workshop. And 500 to 2,000 large-scale cooking oil pretreatment and pressing workshop. Those are the specification of cooking oil expeller. The first one, the processing capacity is 1 to 20 tons per day, and the oil content of dry cakes is below 7%, and the weight is 195 to 1,820 kilograms. And then it's automatic temperature control expeller. We also have automatic temperature control vacuum filtering integrated oil expeller. Speaking to extract oil, the above procedure is physical extracting, and now is the chemical extraction. The mainly process of solvent extraction section. The first part is the solvent extraction system. Solvent extraction system with E102 box chain extractor as the mainly body, and the DTDC system, milling drying system with E109 109D steamer as the main body. The condenser system, solvent vapor cooling recovery system with E116, E120, E126, E139, and E139A as the main body. Recovery system, free gas recovery system with just like those different as main body. The above procedure is to extract the crude oil. If you want the cooking oil or edible oil, you still need the refinery equipment to refine the crude oil to get cooking oil. And the refinery plant could be classified by process, physical refinery and the chemical refinery. Chemical refinery are general type. Physical refinery is more practical for vegetable oil with low gum content and high acid value, such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, and coconut oil. The left part is the physical refinery procedure. The first, we can transport the crude oil to the refinery tank, and then we will add some acid and alkali to make the degumming section, and then we also need to add water to do the degumming procedure. The reason why we add alkali is to realize the neutralization system to remove the gum, and so we can get the substocks. But the oil content for the refinery it depends on the acid value. And then it's the semi-continuous refinery plant. The semi-continuous refinery plant is feed for 5 to 30 tons per day. The factor normally the degumming and the decolorization unit is batch type production, and the deacidification and deodorization units use the deodorization tower to process continuously to reach purpose of continuous refinery by ads. The other electric equipment highly efficiency, energy saving, commercial, and high added output value. And these are some full continuous refining equipment as follow. And then it's the fractionation, winterization, and the dewaxing introduction. Fractionation oil consists of trace cereal with different melting points under certain temperature, separated olein and sterolene according to different melting points and melting percentage, normally suitable for palm oil, palm kernel oil, coconut oil, and the optin is olein, which is liquid oil, and sterolene, which is the solid fat. Winterization generally refers to the process of removing high melting point from condensate oil. In fact, the oil cooking, the working principle of these two is the same. After filterization section, when the crystallization is completed, the slurry is fitted to the membrane filter press or filtration. The operation includes the filter feed, filtering, squeeze, and the cake releases. When the chamber are full after cake forming, the plumbing will stop the membranes and inflate to squeeze dry and the filter cake, and after that the residuate in the core is blown dry by compressed air. Therefore the filter is open and the cake will be dropped into sterilized tank. The sterile cake is melted in this tank by system called before it is discharged to storage. The olein flows into the olein tank and is pumped into the outer olein storage tank. The membrane filtering press requires cleaning after several filtering cycles. And those are some of our project case. They are from Kenya, Nigeria, Slovak, Kazakhstan, and Indonesia, Ivory Coast, Nigeria, Azerbaijan, Congo, Peru, Sierra Leone, Mexico, Tanzania, Liberia, Uganda, Malaysia. And we also have some filtering machine. This is a double head filtering machine and multi-head filtering machine, packing machine. And we also can offer use oil tank design and laboratory equipment and the weight bridge. Those are our patents and certification. Okay, that's all. And then let me show you a video of our company and the factory. This is our opening office area. And those are some products of our butcher. Those are our engineering office. Interested in vegetable oil processing or palm oil processing or refinery equipment, you can leave the contact number, or you can contact our online service. Our sales manager will contact you as soon as possible. These are refinery equipment. This is the automatic processing line for palm oil. Factory. These are palm oil pressing machines. These are some common vegetable pressing machines. Okay, let me do an introduction of our company again. We are doing holdings. Our company's principle is quality first, integrity first, and win-win cooperation. The first is our company introduction, and the second is our production description, and then is our company strengths, and then is the project case. Doing Holdings was founded in 2011. It's a machinery and equipment manufacturing company with diversified industry development. Doing Holdings on 6 legal entities: Xinxiang doing renewable energy equipment, and Jiaozuo doing machinery equipment manufacturing, Henan doing environmental technology, Henan oil glory fats engineering technology, Henan Jinren food energy technology, Henan doing machinery Nigeria branch. The company was established in 2011. It just started as a pure foreign trade company and successfully transformed into this is our business scoop. Over the years, the company has rapidly grown to China's oil and equipment production and export base, with its excellent in manufacturing technology and innovative manufacturing concepts. The company's production, service, and distributed all of the world and aboard and are exported to more than 90 countries and the region, including Russia, India, Ukraine, Nepal, Indonesia, Tanzania, Kazakhstan, Iran, North Korea, Vietnam, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and the European Union, and have won awards all over the world, praise and trust from majority of users. And this is our engineer office. This is our sales team. This is our workers and our factory. Our principle is quality first, integrity first, and win-win cooperation. And then is our introduction of production. The first picture shows us palm oil and palm kernel oil press machine, and this is a pretreatment and processing plant for common vegetable oil like soybean, peanuts, sesame, sunflower. This is a cooker, and this is a conveyor. This is the oil press, and this is the oil filter. And then is the solvent extraction plant. This is a big solvent extraction plant. And those are our refinery machine. If you want to get cooking oil or edible oil, then you have to refine the machine, refine the crude oil. Then you probably need this refinery machine. And this is our this is our best palm oil machine and the palm kernel oil machine. And the first one is 500 kilogram single screw palm oil pressing machine, and this is 1 to 2 tons per hour double screw palm oil pressing machine. And this is 500 kilogram per hour palm kernel pressing machine. We also have the completely automatic processing line, and this is 1 to 5 tons automatically processing line for palm oil. And this is palm kernel shells and nut separation system. This machine for common vegetable oil. This is 1.5 tons per day palm oil vegetable oil press, and this is it's the same capacity. It's 1.3 tons per day, but integrated with a stainless steel filter. And then is our common vegetable seed oil press. And this is our factory. And this is our warehouse in Nigeria, Lagos, Ijaka area. And our company has over 30 patents and certification. And these are some customer visit picture. We have a customer visit award. After we do the, after some clients take order from our company, we will update the photo word. But most of our clients from Africa. This is our project case. Kenya, 100 tons of palm oil refinery and fractionation equipment. And this 2 tons per day of olive oil refinery equipment in Peru. And this is 2 tons of palm kernel crushing equipment in Liberia. And this is a 3 tons per hour palm oil processing plant in Nigeria. And this is a 100 tons per day groundnuts processing plant in Sudan. And this is a 5 tons per hour palm oil processing line in Ivory Coast. And this is also 5 tons palm oil processing line in Liberia. Okay, from now, thanks for your viewing. Let me show you a video of our company and the factory. Certification and pounds, pattern, opening, office area. If you're interested in producing cooking oil or palm oil or refined oil, you can leave your contact number or you can leave a comment on live service will contact you, and then our sales manager will contact you as soon as possible. These are our engineers. This is the sales team. This is the factory. What can we do? The owner of the factory. If you have a plan to producing cooking oil or eatable oil, you can leave your comments. Our sales online, you can contact me. Welcome to my live stream. And then I will give you an introduction of our company. And we are Henan Glory Oil Fats and an engineering company belongs to Doing Holdings. Our customer's principle is customer success is doing success. And then is introduction of our production. The first part is the palm oil pressing machine. For the palm oil processing mill, they're divided into the following procedure. The first is the raw material reception station. Collect the fresh palm fruit branches from the plantation and transported by trucks, then pour the fresh branches into the discharge door of the wheeled by the wheeled bridge, and then discharge the palm fruit with sliding gate exits. Every sliding switch is controlled by hydraulic system, which consists of the hydraulic pump station and hydraulic cylinders that control valves opening the gate of the discharge door. Then the palm fruit falls into conveyor. The next is the sterilization section. The sterilization section is to inject 300 kPa directly steam into the sterilizer and steam the palm fruit at high temperature for about 60 minutes to destroy the amide in the fruit and avoid the increase of free fatty acid content in the oil. At the same time, the high temperature will make the fruit soften. It's easy for fruits to threshing and avoiding the damage of palm nuts. Using the latest technology under the promise of ensuring the quality of oil. Reduce the investment of equipment as far as possible. The purified palm oil can be directly sold or deeply refined after clarification. If you're interested in the palm oil processing line or common vegetable oil processing line, you can leave a comment. Our online sales will contact you as soon as possible. The mixture of the pressed kernel